Hello everyone, this is Miss Cassandra Bow. She's sitting like a big girl on the couch. She is playing with the remote, although it is turned off so it doesn't work. But she doesn't know the difference. Say hello, Cassie Bow. Say hi. Hi, boo-boo. Are you being a good girl?
Hi.
Hi. How's my baby?
Baby.
Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Say Dada. Dada. Hi. Where are you going? Huh? Hey. Where's your belly button? Show me your belly button. Oh, is that your belly button?
Baba.
What was that? What's that?
Baba.
Belly button. What's this? Thank you. Sit like a big girl. Good job. Did you have fun today outside?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did we sit like a big girl? Thank you. Did we have fun on the hammock? Dada. Hi. Hi. Sit like a big girl. Nope, sit down. Thank you. What was that? Hi. Hi. Sit like a big girl. Hey, sit down. Thank you. Sit down. Sit like a big girl, boo-boo. Ow! Did that hurt? Don't do that. Boo-boo, no. Is that a kitty cat? Sit like a big girl, boo-boo. Sit down. Thank you. Sit.